Some colors are soft and refined. Others are precise and bold. In all their diverse forms, they weave together to create the world's vibrant tapestry. Behind every color lies Santint's unwavering commitment to quality, from every raw material to every step of the process. With long-standing expertise in decorative paint systems, Santint powers the journey of color from factory floor to the market. Yet, the complexities of small-batch, high-variety production have driven Santint to pursue an even higher standard of excellence. With significant product differentiation, managing a wide variety of component sizes and container types has become a daily challenge.
海康的智能物流系统帮助我们优化了生产节奏，提高了交付能力，使我们在高端调色设备市场的竞争力得到巩固。
The collaboration of various Hikrobot models covers material delivery across every stage of the factory, eliminating bottlenecks and wait times between processes. The logistics island connects multiple assembly lines for efficient coordination. The flow of materials from island zones to workstations achieves pallet-level precision. Through pallet identification, 68 types of carriers are supported by a single type of robot in the sheet metal plant. Seamless multi-model docking enables seamless collaboration among different robots, breaking down the boundaries between equipment types. A series of innovative storage solutions, such as the VariaPick solution, the high-low rack interfacing, and the flow rack docking, unlocks the maximum potential of the limited space. Deep integration of intelligent system enables digital management of both materials and carriers. Information at every step is fully traceable. Precise control over standard labor hours provides the data-driven foundation for efficiency gains. The convenience of goods-to-person eliminates unnecessary movement for workers, allowing them to focus entirely on assembly. A reduction in labor intensity translates into more stable and consistent work quality. A logistics model spanning from central to sub-warehouses, and then to line-side warehouse, has bridged the gap between storage and usage. Shorter delivery times have made production lines more responsive.
我们希望在智能制造方面继续深化，可能会与海康在自动化、数字化方面进一步合作，提升整体生产管理水平。
From the relentless pursuit of color to the intelligent upgrade of production, Santint and Hikrobot move forward together to bring precision and expertise efficiently into every process. Continuous innovation in decorative color equipment, from every material movement in the workshop to every burst of color on the road, ensures that every story of color reaches the world with precision.